In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the trade partner preparation process. You may have heard this be called something like a quality process or a 6-step quality process. We call it the TP3 or the trade partner preparation process. And it's composed of the buyout process, the pre-mobilization meeting, the pre-construction meeting, sometimes called a pre-install or preparatory meeting, your first in place inspection, your follow-up inspections, and your final inspections. So those are the 6 different steps. Now this is so important, and we have templates for all of this, and we have individual videos for each and every one of these components, okay? But here's what we're asking you to do, okay? In your buyout process, when you get to an executed contract, we want to make sure that that contract has the lien inclusions within it. And that's all we're asking for. For every trade partner, we would like to ask you as a part of the pre-mobilization meeting to tell the trade partner a couple of things. Number one, when is their pre-construction meeting, preparatory meeting, pre-install meeting happening? Typically 3 weeks before their work package. And what do you require? You require them to read the plans, the specs, to have submittals ready, all RFIs in and answered. You want their quality and safety plan, emergency contacts, whatever it is that you want them to deliver by that meeting. All we're asking you to do is to please make that clear. And our lean engineers and managers that are working with you as the client can track when these meetings are supposed to happen if you want. It's totally fine. We typically put the pre-construction meeting on the norm level production plan and remind you in the weekly emails, but if you want all of them, you can as well. And so the purpose of that is we really want your pre-construction meeting to be really well prepared. And here's the thing, we want everything to lead towards preparing the work package. There's a couple of checklists we have. One, it's a 17-point checklist which has a list of all the things that your trade will need to start out strong. Right, things like materials, labor, permissions, layout, all of the contingency planning, all of that, right? So please ask for that checklist in the pre-construction meeting. And here's what we're asking for. And we can help you with all of this. That we have an installation work package template before the meeting. During the pre-construction meeting, that we go through the entire plan, the plans and specs, and get aligned with the foreman and the trade superintendent, and that any items that need to be known for the installation are logged on that installation work package, and that after the pre-construction meeting, we have that IWP, the installation work package, or at least an individual sheet, a feature of work visual that has a quick visual bulleted checklist for the things that are expected for that install, okay? And that's crucial. And our people can help you with the templates, but that's going to set your trade partner up for their first wagon, for their first zone. Then you can use that sheet, the installation work package, and whether the feature of work visual is in that package or it's separate, use that for the first in place inspection to make sure the crew's on track, use it for follow-up inspections, and then close out the trade in the final inspection. And so the real thing that we're asking you for is to do the pre-construction meetings. What we find is that the general contractors with trades that do the best pull plan every phase 3 months ahead, do a pre-con meeting 3 weeks before the work package. They always align the supply chain. They're always looking out ahead 6 weeks to find roadblocks and make work ready, and they're always creating a weekly work plan that's coordinated amongst the trades. So if you have a tough schedule, or you are in recovery, or you have a tough finish, it's time to do more pre-construction planning, not less. So we will trigger or activate or notify you of pre-construction meetings that should be coming up on the norm level production plan, but we're asking you to actually host them or let us host them. If you don't have time or don't want to, because getting the trade partner prepared is absolutely key, and especially having that installation work package. So we have other videos that talk about how to do each and every one of those steps in detail. Please ask our engineer or manager for it. And we also have videos that break out the pre-construction meeting with examples that we can show you, and we'll link you to all of that. But that is the ask. We really, really want help making sure that we're preparing for the work package. So please get those videos, please get that 17-point checklist, and we're willing to share with you anything that we have for installation work packages and feature of work visuals or checklists. So really hope that you've enjoyed this. This covers the entire trade partner preparation process, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. On we go.